sister? Oh, jeez. Okay. You gonna get the marmot? Oh, man. Oh, do you see it? You gonna get it? Can you get it?
All right.
You gonna get it? I wonder if I can hear him.
Eli, enough. Enough.
He's hunting. Say, boyfriend, I'm hunting. You gonna get that marmot? You gonna get it? Can you get it? How are you gonna get the marmot? How are you gonna get it? There's probably like 50 marmots out here, maybe 100. You gonna get it? Eli? Oh, we gotta get your shoe. Come here.